This tutorial is about seeing whether a student is eligible to enroll or not. In order to do this, you can log into PeopleSoft and find out if they are ready to enroll. To do this, you'd open a web browser and you'd go to the PeopleSoft production URL. That URL is https://hrsa.oasis.asu.edu. Once you've logged in with your ASU write and password, you'll come to your home screen, which looks a lot like this. From here, you'll go to Campus Community and Student Services Center. Once at the Student Services Center, you'll be able to search for the student who's eligible for enrollment. To do that, you can put in any of the data that you know about the student. The ID is the affiliate ID. The campus ID is the ASU ID, that's the 993 or 999 number. The national ID is the social security number, and then of course the first and last name. We've set up a couple of fictitious students whose last names begin with plan change. So I'll just type plan change in the field. Oops, I'll type plan change in the field and press search. And PeopleSoft will go out and find all of the different students who are currently in the system who have a last name of plan change. And you can see that there are 3 of them there. You can pick from the list which one you want to work with. Clicking on any link on a row will bring up that person. So we're going to go work with Nicole plan change. The first thing that you need to see for a student is see if there are any holds on the student's account. You can see that up here in this area of the screen. If there are no holds here, then that's one less hoop that they have to run through. If there are holds, you can click on the details there, and you can see if the hold is one that would prevent them from enrolling in classes. Some holds are put on by different parts of the university that don't restrict their ability to put on to enroll in classes. Other holds do, so you'd have to click on the details to find out. The next thing that you want to find out is if they are actually an active student and if they are eligible to enroll. You can do that by going to the Academics tab. And then from the Academics tab, you can take a look at 2 different areas. This first area here will tell you whether they're active or not. It's in the status field here and the date that they are active as of. Down in the bottom section of the screen, you'll be able to see their academic standing status, their program, and whether they are eligible to enroll or not. One of the things to remember is that the academic standing status only changes at the end of the semester and only the major semesters, the spring and the fall semesters. At this point, for this particular person, it says data unavailable because we're in a training database, but typically it will show you the academic status as of the last major semester that's there. So to check to see if your student is eligible to enroll, you'll check 3 places. You'll see if it says eligible to enroll. You'll check the status to make sure that it's active. And then on the Student Center on the first tab, you'll be able to check and see that there aren't any holds on the student. If all 3 of those are set in that way, the student should be able to enroll for classes.